Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can start a Facebook group. So without further ado, let's begin! To start, open your Facebook app and then go to menu page. Now right here on your menu page, you can see groups. Just tap on that. Now right here on groups, you can see at the top this plus icon. Just tap on that. And then you'll see create a group or create a post. So we're creating a group, so tap on create group. We can start by creating a name for our group. Make sure that your group name is just simple and easy to remember. And then after that, we'll just need to choose a privacy if you want it to be public or a private group. And then just tap on visibility to make it visible. And then tap on create group. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.